Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to tell you all what are for loops in Python. So let's get started. So as you all can see, I am in VS Code Insider. Now you are on VS Code. I just installed it. I was going for VS Code, but I clicked on this. So let's get started. So it's very simple. Just you have to write for. Now the variable can be named anything like for a in range. So in the brackets you can write from 0 to 101, cause technically it would only go to 100, cause your computer starts to count from 0. So let's see how to do this thing. So we'll write print. So now I'll click on this run button. As you all can see, sorry, this is my older terminal. I'll just delete it. So you will be seeing this. It would go to 100 and then stop. So I hope you all got this thing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my videos, and I'll meet you all in the next video.